What is up, Jet Set fam? Now, I've been getting a crazy number of requests for this video right here, which is how to make $1,000 every single day passively without any work. Now, I'm going to show you a few ways. I'm going to show you 3 ways in this video about how you can achieve this goal so you can, you're doing $1,000 a day. You could do anything you want. Hang out on the beach, live life, whatever it is. I'm going to show you 3 affiliate programs specifically that you can promote that can get you there. Let's get it. Woo! Okay, so now the first thing you've got to understand if you want to get to this number passively every day is you've got to look for ways to create what's called MRR. Monthly recurring revenue is what this stands for, and this is the goal. And our magical number is $30,000 a month in recurring revenue, which would get us $1,000 a day. Now, in order to find ways to get recurring revenue, you could do one of 2 things. You can either create some sort of software or some sort of subscription membership yourself, charge money for it, charge 1,000 people $30 a month, or charge 30 people $1,000 a month. But the issue with that is you wouldn't have a passive income then, because you have to fulfill the product and you have to do work to keep the customers. But if you want that income to be passive, you don't want to do the work for it, which means you're going to have to get somebody else to do the work, which leaves us with one major option: affiliate programs. So affiliate marketing, if you're not familiar with what it is it's selling somebody else's product. And the beauty of selling somebody else's product is that you don't have to do any of the work, you don't have to do any of the fulfillment, you don't have to do any of the support, you don't have to talk to any of the customers, you don't have to worry about jack. Literally, you just sit back, all the work is done by whatever the company is, and you just collect the commission checks deposited to your bank account. So here we are on ClickBank, and this is an affiliate network where we can find products that offer us recurring commissions, which is recurring revenue. And we don't have to do any of the work. True passive product money. So first we're going to start here, and we are going to, you'd go to clickbank.com, and we're going to go to the affiliate marketplace to see what products we can sell people. Now, the first product I'm going to start with is in the health niche. And I'm actually going to look at a product called Organifi. Okay? So Organifi is a product I actually use. It's green, it's what's called green drink. So it's like superfoods that you kind of like mix in your drink, kind of like this. And they offer a couple different types of bottles for that. Now, what you can also do in ClickBank is you can go down here and you can sort down here on the left side to find other products that offer recurring billing. You would type in here. You just check this box that says recurring revenue. That way you can find products that offer you recurring commissions. Pretty cool, right? So let's get right into Organifi. So Organifi has done over $30 million in sales, and they've paid out about a 33% of that is paid out to affiliates. So let's look down here, and they have a lot of affiliate resources. As you see, they have a lot of things available to help people be affiliates and sell their product. So you see all sorts of stuff. And these are their products. They offer the green juice, they offer the red juice, they offer the gold drink. Now, I actually am a subscriber to all 3 of these. I pay $100 a month to get all 3 of these drinks because I drink the green juice in the morning, I drink the red juice during the day, and I have the golden tea at night. I warm it up. I warm up some like hemp milk, and I put the golden drink in it, and it helps you go to sleep. It helps you be rejuvenated for the next day. So really great trifecta here, and it keeps me pretty healthy. I love this stuff, and tastes amazing. Okay, so I'm not going to go too much into that, but it's a fantastic product, and I'm a big fan. But what's great is they also offer super high commissions on their products. So they give you 30% lifetime commission on all front end, all upsells, and on rebills. Now, what rebills are is when you have a recurring commission product, I get rebilled every month for $100 from Organifi because I go through the powder every single month. So that's called a rebill. The average person only orders one bottle. So what we're gonna do, the average order is $57 and you get 30% commission on that. So let's do the math to see how many people we would need to get $30,000 a month in passive income, which would give us $1,000 a day. Okay, so here we are on this little scratch pad I set up to help us calculate how many customers we would need to get to Organifi to get that $1,000 a day passive income. So the price of the product is $57.95. Now the percent commission we get is 30%. So we make about $17 per sale. And as you can see here, we'll need about 1,726 customers of this product in order to get $1,000 a day passive income. Now, just to give you an idea, 1,726 people, that's like a small high school stadium full of people. That's a lot of people. So you can do it, but you have to have a really broad reach to get that many people to earn that $1,000 a day. Now let's look at another affiliate program which pays a little higher. And this is an affiliate program I'm actually a big fan from. And I've almost reached this magical goal of $1,000 a day passive income with this affiliate program. So this is a really good one. Even I'm not there yet. But check this one out. The ClickFunnels program they'll not only pay you a lot of money on a recurring basis, but they'll buy you your car. So they'll actually get you your dream car. I have $1,000 towards, I don't own many cars. I just have a truck. I have a big old truck. But they'll give you $1,000 a month towards whatever car you want. So as you can see here, if I zoom in on my earnings right here, I earn about, $16,000 per month with this affiliate program. Here you can see my earnings, $700, $600, $100, $500 a day. And you'll see right here, my current MRR, which is my monthly recurring revenue, is $13,000, which means I have roughly $500 a day in passive income. That's pretty good. And let me show you how the math actually breaks down. Now for ClickFunnels, the program cost is $97 per month. Now they give you 40% commission on each sale. So you get about $38 per sale. Now in order to reach your target of $1,000 a day in passive income, you're going to need about 773 customers of ClickFunnels on their monthly recurring subscription to earn that amount. And what's also nice about the ClickFunnels program is they give you lots of support. You get an affiliate manager who will work with you to help you promote and get more sales to the program. They give you lots of landing pages, the dream car, of course, and they give you lots of pages that you can use to promote and tools, etc. So it's a very easy program to promote. It's very straightforward. There's lots of support. There's lots of people promoting it. You just need to get out there and do it. And I've included a link. If you're interested in getting started as a ClickFunnels affiliate, I've put a link down below where you can learn more about doing so. Now, this last affiliate program is very dear to my heart because it's actually my own affiliate program. And we have hundreds of affiliates making sick commissions every month. I've paid out literally millions of dollars to affiliates, and as an affiliate marketer myself, I've created an affiliate program that has insanely high payouts, insanely high recurring commissions, and I'll show you right next how to promote it and how easy it is to actually hit this magical number of $30,000 per month or $1,000 per day promoting my affiliate program. Let's check it out. Woo! So let's check out the money train. And if you want to be part of the John Crestani Money Club, make sure you go hit that subscribe button right now if you want to be part of the Money Club. And if you already joined the Money Club, please, in the comments, type in Money Club or JC Money Club, because that's all we're talking about all day here on this channel, is how you can use the internet and big fat computers like mine to make a lot of money online. So let's get into my affiliate program and how you can make money with it. So as you see right here, let's zoom in. You can earn 50% of $247 a month with my program. And I'll show you how to do it. We've just started releasing our new software, which is going to change the face of, it's going to change the face of advertising, period. And once people start getting a hold of this, this is going to revolutionize the internet. We've already been pre-selling it, and people are nuts for it. We have a community, and we've made super high payouts for affiliates, the most competitive program around. So if you check it out, let's do the math to see how many people you would need to get in. And just to show you some stats, we have a ton of numbers on this, but this is working on Facebook ads, this is working on YouTube ads, this is working on Google ads. We have examples of the ads for you, how to promote it. And if you need more information on how to be an affiliate of my program and how affiliate marketing works, you can either subscribe to this channel or join my training program, which this is it. It includes the software. Join my training program and you'll go through my 6-week course, which is the best affiliate marketing course on the internet. Check my reviews, people. It's #1. So let's see. We've got John Crestani's super affiliate system right here, and the price is $247 a month. We've got 50% commissions, and that gives you much higher amount. All you need is 243 people to get to that magical number of $1,000 a day. So instead of having to get a whole high school stadium full of people, you're actually serving people with the best education around. You're giving them software that helps change how they're able to market their businesses online, and you are able to earn to get to the magical number of $1,000 a day passive income. So if you want to join any of these affiliate programs, make sure to click the links below. And if you liked this video, as always, make sure share this video with some friends, like this, comment this, throw this on YouTube. Let me know and put a comment below and let me know which was the most interesting affiliate program to you. Was it, super affiliate? Was it ClickFunnels? Was it Organifi? And what would you like to hear about next? Because I'm all about serving you, helping you find more ways to make money online. So write in the comments, what would you like to learn next about affiliate marketing or passive income or just making money online? Because I want to make sure I help you. My business is killing it, and I want to help you make money as well. Let's get it. Woo!